It's me again. So we have a Whirlpool Duet dryer. If you're facing this kind of issue, first thing you need to check, see the drum. So this is loose. It's not supposed to be that much loose. In this case, so we have a bad belt broken or get loose. So to fix that issue, we need to take this panel off and put the belt back. Right. Let's remove this too. Set it to the side. If not, just hit it a few times. Do we take all? Oh. There you go. I was surprised. I said, how? Ooh, so you can see we don't have any belt here. That means it's broke or gets off from a pulley. So we can tilt it. There's a few we need to remove these. So, in this first thing, there you go. So now it's telling me, so we have a good belt. I believe so. It's not that belt the way I explained should be. Yes. So the belt is the belt is good. So we need to replace with a pulley. So these, have a age life afterwards. So these are come off, and that's happened. So it's not, the spin is not started. To do that, so I'm gonna take these off. Then we able. So once we remove the front panel, then we front bulk, this part, we need to remove that one. Once we do that, we need to, we will do step by step. So just stay with me. I do my best to. Alright, so I take the drum off, front panel, everything. And so, the way I explain. So the belt is okay, but the pulley, so this part need to be replaced. So before I replace it, I'm just gonna clean, vacuum it, then find one of these. They will put it back and we will go for test. So this is the old one, and I replace it with another one. So that one I use, but it's still in, there's nothing wrong with him. I just take apart from other one, use for this one. But you can, you can get a new one. You can order it. I will put a description on link description on the part number or model number for that one, so you can, if you're facing with that issue, so you can get it. Alrighty, so I'm just gonna put everything back, and we will test them, see how it works. Before I put everything back, so I'm gonna test, you know, those heat element fuse and making sure I'm not gonna make it too wise since I'm already here. Then we will, you know, put everything back and we will go for test. Stay with me. Alrighty. So let's test it out. Alrighty. Thanks so much for watching. If this video helped out, just subscribe and leave a comment. That's helped me a lot. Thank you so much, and see you on next videos.